Ano ba bang itatanong natin?
I'd like to ask Sharon, what are her expectations regarding Gabby's career and then yung status niya sa Viva? And of course, I'd like also to know from them kung ano-ano mga New Year's resolutions nila.
Expectations? Well, I expect that my husband will be achieving more in the coming year because he's working so hard now, harder than ever, no? And
Dahil malapit na Christmas, ano ba kailangan mo?
oo nga, honey, nagsisip-sip ako sa'yo para maganda ang gift. Hindi, I'll be there to support him in whatever he would like to do.
Pero siya, yung expectation mo na sinasabi, is it along movies or something else?
Both,
Kasi may
siya.
tatanong ako mamaya.
Whatever he decides on. Kasi he'd
so,
like to
ano?
get into politics also.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
precisely what I would like
but
to
really,
ask.
mainly show business, mainly, because that's what we're in now.
Let's not talk politics. This is Sharon
Let's hear it.
Cuneta Show.
Right.
And, I'm happy to be here.
Welcome.
Pero Gabby, di ba, from now on, with the way we look at you, you're really marvelous together. Di ba nagka-problema noon because of your film with Vilma, at saka yung you were together on her birthday. Do you think now you'll be more careful na parang hindi na magka...
Well, hindi naman nung sinasadya lahat yun. All of this kasi, it's all, like I said, no, magnified. So, hindi
Showbiz.
sinasadya yung mga pangyayari. Yun nangyayari.
No, and I
we
knew
all
he
know
was
na-
going to the birthday of
And we all know na ang showbiz, ganyan talaga, you know, you make one mistake and you can get into trouble. So, but anyway, gusto kong sabihin, then this comes from my heart, no? Yung treatment ng, I don't know, the staff of the Sharon Cuneta Show, I really love you guys. And tuwing magre-recording tayo, yan, hindi talaga. You spend time with me, pinagtsatsagaan niyo yung recording ko. Mas kaya lang ko nang gusto niyo nang umuwi. But anyway, I feel so welcome. They're so warm and I like being with them. In fact, kung pwede lang ako maging part of
I
Sharon
think you should be
Cuneta Show.
regular
okay?
in the show.
What? No, we'd also like to thank
Pardon?
Olive and
You should
Tina
be
and
regular
Agot.
in the show.
Pardon?
Sabi ko, you should be a regular in the show. It's so beautiful, you know?
Well, my wife,
Baka we will get overexposed together.
Ano?
hindi, sobra-sobra na nga. Siya na lang, sobra-sobra na. Sorry, hindi na ako kailangan. Wala na ako, you know.
Kasi alam mo, Gabi, no?
Say-
Since, alam mo, parang time ito talaga ng family, ano? Yung si Casey is a star in her own right without even being shown, ano? Hindi, wala naman siyang pelikula, wala naman siyang... Pero star na rin siya, no? Do you think when she grows up, and palagay natin, if she likes to be a movie star,
Of course,
papayag ka ba niya?
it's all up to her naman. We cannot stop her from what she wants to do.
Oo. Kasi ngayon, parang nakikita natin, parang nandun na yun di ba?
Since si Gabby nag-attend ng birthday ng isang kaibigan, would he say right now na pwede na siya mag-commit for the birthday celebration of Sharon here? Attend ulit siya, gano'n. I mean, this very moment, pwede ka na bang mag-commit na kasi malapit na birthday ni Sharon.
Well, of course.
Birthday girl ka pala natin. Ako siya.
Really, okay.
Okay. Anytime naman, I can, whenever she asks me to come, okay naman sa akin. Of course, you know, she's my wife.
Wow.
Yung manager.
Pero siya, anong New Year's wish ninyong dalawa?
Well, ako?
Oh, yes. Sige, Gabi.
Well, I don't know. Sabi ng horoscope last year, 86, magulo daw. Totoo nga, ano? Magulo, ang daming intriga.
Oo
So
nga.
I hope the 87,
Di ba,
the years
tapos
to
na
come.
yun.
Oo, well, 87, the years to come. I hope maiba naman.
Would you like another brother or sister for Casey?
Oh, well, why not? Why not? But we're planning, syempre sa panahon ngayon. Well, mahirap, no? But we'll get there.
How will you celebrate Christmas siya? Kayong dalawa, how will you celebrate it this year?
Actually, hindi pa namin alam, but we're enjoying our new house.
No,
At
but Christmas...
nagbabahay-bahayan kami
I
ngayon.
heard it's a lovely house. Gabi.
You'll see it later on. We have that special
sige,
MTV
panoorin
like you
natin.
said. And no, on Christmas Eve, diba, we're all getting together. And then Christmas Day,
Oh,
we'll
yes.
visit our families naman. His family, my family.
I think Christmas Eve, my in-laws are coming to the house.
Yes, and
because it's the first
so
Christmas
are my
in
in-laws.
the house.
That is great.
And then the next day, we're going to... I'm going to their
Concepcion.
in-laws and she's
And I'm
going to
going
my
to my
in-laws
in-laws.
after. You know,
Baliktad.
her in-laws.
Okay, yeah. Right.
My in-laws and her in-laws.
Perfect. Sure.
Nga pala, I'd like to thank my father-in-law for giving me a present.
Oh, my daddy also. Daddy, you've got great
For
taste.
giving me a present.
Always.
Maraming salamat
I think
sa
it's a motorcycle.
And my mom also, my mom.
And
Right.
mommy. And
And I'd like to thank my father-in-law and my mother-in-law for that wonderful dinner we had there last week.
You know, one time I saw Gabi riding on a motorcycle, and I was so afraid
So
for
handsome,
him.
no?
So handsome.
My husband is the cutest.
Yes.
Yes.
But are you
Merry
not
Christmas
afraid?
po. Kailan ho, ano ang gusto niyo for Christmas?
Another question
Wala
mo
na
ulit
talaga.
kay Gabi and Sharon. No? Kasi marami ng intriga, lumipas na, no? Gusto lang namin malaman kung may plano para sa inyong Viva to make a movie o kaya yung production ni Gabi.
Well, is too fast?
Viva?
Well, meron kaming pag-usapan noon. It's still under negotiation. So, hintayin na lang ho ninyo. I'm sure. Palagay ko ang maganda ano ho ang sa tingin ninyo
Ayos
maganda
na.
sa sunod sa amin. Palagay ko comedy naman.
Naku, Lord.
Dahil puro
Gabi,
drama.
how about your own production?
Horror
Can it be
kaya,
arranged na pwede kayong dalawa in your own production?
It's a long story. But we'll let you know once the news is
Okay.
sigurado na we'll let you know right away. But we can, why not? One of
Yeah.
these days, in the
You
near
know,
future maybe.
I'm overwhelmed by all this love and beautiful relationship that I really cannot ask the usual questions. I'm biased. Rod should ask the nasty questions. Totoo.
As my last question, I'd like to ask both of them kung ano na ba talaga ang mga plano pa na magiging special para sa kanila bukod sa pelikula.
Ang ibig mo sabihin, what more can they ask?
Yung mga, kung may
You're
mga business
young,
pa on
you're
the
both
side.
successful, in love.
Well, kung tutuusin ninyo, ewan ko, palagi ko wala na akong maihinga eh.
Parang you're the golden couple of, really, of show business.
Well, I don't know really. I wish I can have more cases,
Ayan, nako. Siya. Next year na.
Well, ewan ko, ito, she's one big gift to me. So, I don't know what else I can ask for.
Sharon has never looked so gorgeous. Losing how many pounds siya? About 15?
29.
Wow, that's determination, really.
Yeah, sabi niya sa akin kailangan daw magmukhang sexy siya para wala na siya ako ibang tingnan. Sabi ko nga, miski...
Nanonotice mo ba naman?
Miski malaki ka mas napapansin mo. Saka there's more to her. Ngayon, wala na.
Hindi na ako lalaki ulit.
Si Gabi doesn't mind pala. You went through all the trouble.
That's recent. No.
Sabi lang yan.
But thank you so much again, Tita Nor.
Thank you,
Kuya
Sharon.
Rod.
Thank you, Gabi.
Mr. C, thank you.
Thank you also,
Thanks, honey.
wifey.
Thank
Pero
you.
hintayin ho ninyo yung MTV. We have an MTV.
Yeah, it's really a nice, kasama namin ulit si Casey at our house
Oh,
naman.
right.
So don't go away, we shall be back with you after a few reminders.